The next thing we can do is add a tour ID input, and this one has some text below, some help text. So we'll go back to our form and manage fields and add field. We'll select text and plain. We'll set the label to tour ID and save and continue. We can set the maximum length to something shorter than 255. We'll set it to 40 for now and save field settings. We want some help text here. It's if you would like to register for a tour, enter the tour ID here. You can find the ID on the tour calendar. And I'm using an anchor tag here to make this tour calendar text a link. Let's click Save Settings and let's take a look at the output here. Okay, so we have our tour ID. This is super long. Let's edit the length of this. I'm going to go to Manage Form Display. And for tour ID, I'm going to hit the cog wheel and set the size of the text field to 10. It looks like that's about the size of the ID. And for the placeholder, let's put an example of what the ID should look like. Let's hit Update. Let's save it and then take a look at our form again. Okay, maybe we should make this just a little bit bigger. We'll make it 20 instead. Update, save, let's take a look. Okay,